She's up! She's up! Woo! We did it, gentlemen! We actually did it!
Lowering sequence engaged. 5 centimeters remaining. Steady. Final position confirmed.
The ultrasonic readings confirm severe pitting in this section.
Mark that area for immediate structural assessment.
This section here looks compromised.
The load-bearing capacity of this support is severely degraded. We can't just patch this weld.
Agreed. It needs to be fully replaced.
Up slowly now. Steady. A little to the right. Keep it coming up. Swing it to the left. Careful on that joint. Coming down slowly. Keep guiding it. All right, slowly now. Bring it down. Hold it steady. That's it. Set it down. Easy now. Bring it down slow. Watch the starboard side gap. Looks good from here. Hold steady. Watch the clearance on the starboard side. Okay, easy now. Bring it down slow. All right, slowly bring it forward. Watch the alignment. Okay, let it seat. Looks good.
Keep the tension steady on that hoist. It's a heavy door.
Almost there. The latch just cleared.
Okay, take the tension up slowly.
Tension is set. Moving up steady.
According to the diagram, this connects here. Here.
Yes, secure the connection. We need to power up the control module next.
Make sure those conduits are flush with the bulkhead.
I'm checking the schematic now. We need clearance here for the data lines.
Alignment check complete on the starboard console.
Readings look good. Passivation is holding up well on the brass, too.
All systems check now.
Power levels nominal. We have green across the board.
Diagnostics complete. All systems registering green.
Excellent work, engineer. Reroute power to the main grid.
Check the alignment on this lower starboard weld.
Data matches the schematic. It's solid.
Look at that finish. She's regaining her proud presence.
The crew did excellent work. She looks ready.
Ensure the tension on M12 is exactly 50 foot-pounds.
Confirmed. Final torque applied.
The wait is over. The USS Texas is officially back, and the atmosphere here is absolutely electric as we witness this historic moment.
We are here today to celebrate the return of a legend, the USS Texas.